Hey, Arizona Moore here with another quick video walkthrough, this time of the Hilton Garden Inn, the Journal Center location in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is a 2-bed queen suite. See, fairly standard little closet just off from the door, with a safe. Then next to it, a little mini fridge, coffee station, microwave. There's a bit of the room. We'll get to that in a moment. Over here is the bathroom. Fairly standard, nothing too fancy. Nice bathroom though. Do you like that mirror? Do like that mirror. Fairly clean, which is always nice. Door rubs on the carpet a bit, a little noisy. So here are the beds, as you can see here. And the TV. Then there's a little desk and a little sitting area, which is kind of nice. Book on New Mexico. And then what I like about being a Hilton's Honors member, you get to choose your room. So I went up and chose the top floor here, 4th floor. You see there's a storm off there. Been kind of cloudy all day. So anyway, just a quick view of the room at the Hilton Garden Inn in Albuquerque, New Mexico, Journal Center.